Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for the best security camera system on Amazon in 2026, you're in the right place. Whether you want to protect your home, business, driveway, backyard, garage, or entire property, choosing the right security camera system can make a big difference. Today's security cameras offer features like 4K video, AI detection, night vision, solar power, wireless connectivity, large storage, and multiple camera coverage. So today we're looking at the top 5 best security camera systems on Amazon in 2026. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started with number 1. Number 1. ANNKE 16-channel security camera system, 4K PoE, and a 4TB hard drive. First on our list is the ANNKE 16-channel security camera system with 4K PoE and a 4TB hard drive. This is a powerful wired security system designed for users who want extensive coverage around their home or business. The system supports 4K Ultra HD video and uses Power over Ethernet, or PoE, which allows compatible cameras to receive power and data through the same Ethernet connection. One of the standout features is smart dual light night vision. Instead of relying only on traditional black and white infrared footage, the system can use intelligent lighting to help provide clearer nighttime images. ANNKE's current 4K PoE systems also offer AI-based human and vehicle detection, H.265 plus compression, built-in microphones on compatible cameras, and remote access features. The 4TB hard drive gives you plenty of local recording storage for continuous security footage. The ANNKE 16-channel system is a strong choice for larger properties. Because it supports up to 16 channels, you have plenty of room to expand your surveillance setup. The wired PoE design is also useful when reliability is more important than having a completely wireless installation. Pros: 4K Ultra HD video, 16-channel system, PoE wired connection, 4TB HDD, smart dual light night vision, human and vehicle detection, H.265 plus video compression, remote access, suitable for larger properties. Cons: wired installation requires more setup, not as portable as wireless cameras. Larger system may be more than a small home needs. Overall, the ANNKE 16-channel 4K PoE system is an excellent choice for anyone who wants a comprehensive wired security setup with high-resolution video and plenty of storage. Number 2. aosu T2 Ultra 4K Security Camera Wireless Outdoor. Coming in at number 2 is the aosu T2 Ultra 4K Security Camera Wireless Outdoor. This is a wireless outdoor security camera designed for people who want advanced monitoring without running Ethernet cables throughout the property. One of its biggest highlights is 4K video quality. It also features 360-degree coverage and AI triple detection, giving the camera a wider field of view and intelligent monitoring capabilities. The wireless design makes installation more convenient, especially in areas where running cables would be difficult. The 360-degree functionality is particularly useful for monitoring larger outdoor areas because the camera can cover a much wider area than a fixed-position camera. The aosu T2 Ultra is a great option if you want high-resolution wireless surveillance combined with AI detection. It can be especially useful for driveways, yards, entrances, and other outdoor areas where flexibility is important. The combination of 4K video and 360-degree coverage makes it attractive for users who want to monitor more area with fewer cameras. Pros: 4K video, wireless outdoor design, 360-degree coverage, AI triple detection, wide area monitoring, easier installation than wired systems, suitable for outdoor use. Cons: wireless cameras depend on a reliable wireless connection. Battery and power management may require attention depending on installation. If you want a modern wireless outdoor camera with 4K video and wide 360-degree coverage, the aosu T2 Ultra is a strong option. Number 3. ANNKE 3K Lite Wired Security Camera System. At number 3 is the ANNKE 3K Lite Wired Security Camera System. This system comes with 8 2-megapixel cameras and a 1TB hard drive, making it a practical choice for users who want to cover multiple areas of their property. The cameras are designed for outdoor use and use a wired connection for reliable video transmission. The system supports AI human and vehicle detection, helping reduce unnecessary alerts caused by things like moving leaves, lights, or other non-human movement. ANNKE's 3K Lite system also supports smart color night vision, infrared night vision, remote access, H.265 plus compression, and IP67 weather resistance.
The 1 terabyte hard drive provides local recording storage, while the 8 camera setup allows you to monitor several locations simultaneously. This is a practical option for homeowners who want a complete multi-camera security system without stepping up to the cost of a larger 4K setup. The 8 camera configuration is especially useful if you need coverage around the front door, driveway, backyard, garage, and other areas. Pros: 8 cameras included. 2 megapixel cameras, 1 terabyte HDD, AI human and vehicle detection, smart night vision, wired connection, IP67 weather resistance, H.265 plus compression, remote access. Cons: lower resolution than the 4K systems. Wired installation requires more work. If you want a complete 8-camera security system with AI detection and local storage at a more approachable level, the ANKE 3K Lite is a solid choice. Number 4. REOLINK 16CH 4K Security Bullet Camera System. Moving to number 4 is the REOLINK 16CH 4K Security Bullet Camera System. This system is designed for users who want a large wired surveillance system with high-resolution 4K video. The system includes an NVR with a 4 terabyte hard drive and multiple security cameras, giving you extensive coverage and local video storage. The 16-channel NVR provides room for a larger surveillance installation, which makes the system suitable for bigger homes, offices, warehouses, shops, and other properties. The 4K cameras can capture significantly more detail than standard 1080p cameras, which can be useful when monitoring entrances, driveways, and other areas where image detail matters. The REOLINK system is a good choice for users who want a traditional wired security system with a large number of available channels. The combination of 4K recording and a 4 terabyte hard drive gives you both high image detail and substantial local storage. It's particularly suitable for users who prefer a centralized NVR system rather than relying entirely on individual wireless cameras. Pros: 4K Ultra HD video, 16-channel NVR, 4 terabyte hard drive, multiple bullet cameras, wired security system, large property coverage, centralized recording, expandable surveillance setup. Cons: requires wired installation, more complicated to install than wireless cameras, may be excessive for small properties. If you're looking for a powerful 4K wired security system with plenty of storage and expansion potential, the REOLINK 16CH system is a strong option. And finally, at number 5 is the aosu D1 Max 4Cam Kit. This is a wireless outdoor security system that uses solar power, making it particularly interesting for areas where running power cables can be difficult. The 4-camera setup allows you to monitor multiple locations around your property. Because the cameras are solar-powered, they can help reduce the need for frequent manual charging when installed in suitable locations with enough sunlight. The D1 Max also features AI-based motion detection and tracking. The camera can pan and tilt to follow detected activity, while smartphone notifications can alert you when motion is detected. The wireless design makes installation much easier compared to a traditional PoE system. The aosu D1 Max is an excellent option for people who want multi-camera outdoor surveillance with solar power and AI tracking. Solar power is one of its biggest advantages, especially for outdoor areas like gardens, driveways, gates, and backyards. The AI tracking feature can also help keep moving subjects within the camera's view. Pros: 4-camera system, wireless outdoor design, solar-powered, 4K video, AI detection, motion tracking, pan and tilt functionality, smartphone alerts, easier installation than wired systems. Cons: solar performance depends on available sunlight. Wireless signal strength can affect performance. Installation location needs suitable sunlight. If you want a wireless multi-camera security system with solar power and AI tracking, the aosu D1 Max is a very interesting choice. So, which security camera system should you choose? If you want a powerful wired security system with 4K video, multiple channels, smart detection, and a large 4 terabyte hard drive, the ANKE 16-channel 4K PoE system is an excellent choice. If you prefer wireless operation with 4K video and 360-degree coverage, the aosu T2 Ultra is worth considering. For a more affordable multi-camera wired setup, the ANKE 3K Lite provides 8 cameras, AI detection, and 1 terabyte of local storage. If you want a large 4K wired security system with a 16-channel NVR and 4 terabyte storage, the REOLINK 16CH system is a strong option. And if you want wireless outdoor security with solar power, 4 cameras, and AI tracking, the aosu D1 Max is an excellent alternative. Before buying, think about the size of your property, how many cameras you need, whether you prefer wired or wireless installation, storage requirements, night vision, and whether you have suitable Wi-Fi or sunlight for wireless and solar-powered systems. So guys, those were the top 5 best security camera systems on Amazon in 2026. I hope this video helped you find the right security camera system for your home, office, business, or property. You can find all the product links in the description below where you can check the latest prices and availability. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more product reviews and buying guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.